CRM is a waste of time and money because it wasn't built for companies like yours. So it makes sense that when Forrester Research asked companies about their existing CRM, 69% said they were considering replacing it. Why? It's too expensive, takes too long to implement, poor user adoption, impossible to create a 360-degree view of the customer, and to you, your customers are everything. Verenia is different. Our CRM was built for you with only the tools you need, including real-time account management and deep email integration. It even has material forecasting to give your production team insight into your sales pipeline. Oh, and that's all bundled with an award-winning CPQ and e-commerce engine. The best part? With our 90-day free trial, there are absolutely no fees, and we can get you into the system in just 1 week. Contact us today to let us show you free for 90 days. To learn more, visit verenia.com.